In this video, I'll be sharing a step-by-step process of how I plan my monthly budget using the Moolah Budget Template. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Gloria. If you're new here, I created this channel to share short videos that will help you plan your daily schedule, simplify your life, and budget your money so that you can save more and live the life that you love on a budget you can actually afford. If this sort of content resonates with you, do stick around, hit the subscribe button, and like this video to help us reach more like-minded people. That said, let's get started. Annie and I take out time on the last day of every month to plan a budget for the new month. We also use this time to review our budget for the previous month, basically asking ourselves questions like, did we stick to our budget? Did we blow the budget? What and where can we do better? This is actually a fun way to keep in touch with our finances as a family and to also figure out the best way to meet our money goals. So you may or may not have already heard about the Moolah Budget Template. I designed the Moolah Budget Template to help me keep track of how I spend my money. So if you are struggling with bad spending habits and you need something to help you develop that discipline, right, then the Moolah Budget Template is what you need. I'm going to walk you through how I use the Moolah Budget to actually plan a budget for the month and also track and keep record of daily expenses. To be honest, if you want to get better at how you spend, right, you have to track. You need to know where the money is going. You can't just off the top of your head determine that, okay, I need to cut down on this or that, right? You need to actually track to see the numbers. They say numbers don't lie. So the Moolah Budget Template does two things, probably more, but the basic thing it does is to help you draw out a budget, then record your daily spending every day so you can easily compare, okay, I budgeted this amount of money, this is how much I ended up spending. So at the end of the month, when you're reviewing your books, right, you know where you need to cut back on and you know, okay, this is where I'm spending most of my money. This is basically what the homepage of the Moolah Budget looks like. There is an email address to contact for support. The next tab is an annual summary page that shows you the total amount you have made, saved, invested, and spent in a year. Then for those of us who like numbers, we have another summary tab that displays your annual summaries in graph format. As you can see, there is a tab for every month. We have January, February, March, April, May, and so on. For the purpose of this video, I'll be working with the month of October since I'm recording this video in October. So we have the income section. Note that this is income for the previous month, September, shown here in brackets. We have the savings section, investments, and expenses. There is also a summary table that makes it easy to see everything that is going on in October. The large table below is where you record your daily expenses. My husband and I prefer to record the expenses at the end of every day so we don't forget. The next thing to do is to include your expected income in the budgeted income section and remember to update it in the actual section once the money comes in. For the purpose of this video, let's work with 300k as monthly salary. I also projected making up to 100k from my side hustle, but I made 50k, so I'm going to also add it here. Then someone dashed me some money, 20k. I'll also update it on this income section. Notice that the difference column automatically does the calculation for me, and the summary table also shows my total income for the month of October. So when you hover your mouse on any cell, you'll see a prompt that tells you what to do. Not to worry, all the formula cells on this budget are locked. So even if you're not very conversant with using Excel, you'll be able to find your way around it. The savings section allows you to budget how much you want to save from your month's income in any of the listed categories, and you are able to also update the actual amount you ended up saving. I'll then go ahead to record the amount of money I want to use in topping up my investments. Having updated my income, my savings, and my investments, the summary table now displays the amount I have left to spend for the month of October. If you are trying to improve on your spending habit, then this expenses section is the most important section for you. You'll be able to type in your planned budget for the listed categories. Once you are done setting your budget for your expenses, the actual and difference columns will start updating themselves automatically as soon as you begin to record your daily expenses. Use this large table to track your expenses every day. So begin by selecting the appropriate category, type in the description of what you spent the money on. You can include a date if you want and the amount, and you'll notice how the budget will keep updating itself gradually. As I already mentioned, as you continue to record your expenses, the summary table will continue to update automatically, and you can see a breakdown of how much you've spent so far and how much you have left. There is also a graph showing you the movements of your money for the month. To make the most of this budget template, I recommend you try and record your expenses every day so that at the end of the month, you are able to sit back and review how much you've spent and on what you've spent on. That way, you can determine what you need to cut back on and, just generally know where your money is going. The Moolah Budget Template is currently priced at 2,000 Naira only. I'm going to drop a link in the description box below for you to get a copy for yourself. I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions or feedback or comments, do share them in the comments box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now!